Hey YouTube, this is J&T Customs. I'm Jay.
I'm T.
And how are you doing?
This is T from J&T Customs, and Jay's inside. I wanted to start this video off outside because he's making a whole bunch of racket and probably wouldn't be able to hear me very well. We got the radiator going because it's cold, the air compressor's on, and he's using an angle grinder, so it's loud in there. But thank y'all for coming by, and let's get into it.
So this will get clean this up with paint in it. We don't have Okay, so we started to put on our, we started to paint our rear. We cleaned it all up. Now it's ready to paint. So I started painting. This is the primer coat. And then we'll paint it with a super high gloss. I wish I had an oven big enough. I'd powder coat it, but I don't. So we're gonna paint it with a super high gloss black, and that should protect it for quite some time. And we are going to then, before I get this far, we're going to weld the axle tubes. Probably gonna do that right now. So, all right, be back. Alright, so we took the axle out in the last two episodes. We took all the nuts apart, cleaned it up. This is now primed, and we're going to get ready to paint it here in a minute. And then once it dries, maybe tomorrow, we'll start putting all the parts back together. And we'll show you how to do that. We are going to paint. Here we go. Okay, now we're going to shoot the clear. So now we're going to shoot the clear.